Hi, today we got something very nice and very sweet, a crab. I got some blue simmer crabs and I'm going to make a nice spicy dish. So let's go through the ingredients. I got nice blue simmer crabs already cleaned, coconut milk, chili paste, garlic, salt, turmeric, pepper, curry powder, onion, coriander, lemongrass, cinnamon, ginger, red chilies and curry leaves. Well, when you're making a shellfish dish, which is most important part is don't cook too long. It's the freshness and the sweetness is go away and all the other flavors will get into the meat. So we still need to have that beautiful flavor of the meat. So that is the most important part. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to mix all the ingredients together and pound it nicely and make that sauce first. And then add your crab and finish it off. So let's go and start making this paste. Okay, first I got garlic. I'm going to chop this a little bit. Otherwise they're going to run all over the place. It's very important all this ingredient goes in. And the red chilies. Chilies gone in. Lemongrass. Ginger. Coriander. And cinnamon. And I got this chili paste. So now all the ingredients, fresh ingredients gone in. So I'm going to start pounding. I didn't pound it very smooth because when you pound it smooth, it's not much fun. So it's nice to have a little bit of pieces so then they recognize the food what is in there. So what are you going to do now? We're not going to use oil. We're going to use this, mix straight into the pan. Just like that, goes in. Got tiny bit of oil from the chili paste. That's enough. I'm going to add onion. Because I'm going to add onion like pieces like that. The coconut milk. Just a tiny bit goes in. Curry powder, only tiny bit of curry powder, not too much. I don't want to make too curry flavor this one. Turmeric, bring this nice beautiful color. Crushed pepper. Salt. So to make the sauce now, I'm going to finish up with my coconut cream. So now the sauce start boiling, so I'm going to add my curry leaves. And then I'm going to start adding the crabs. 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to put these shells on top just to make it nice when you're decorating. See the beautiful decorations for it. And I'm going to put the lid on. So now we're going to keep it maybe about 10 minutes to cook it nicely and turn around and take it out. Well, now it's been in cooking for nearly 10 minutes. It's now nicely boiling, you can hear the noise. So it's time to open and start dishing up. I'm sure it's going to be ready. You see, I've got the shells, which I haven't mixed with the sauce. So it's nice and clean, so you can garnish nicely. So I'm going to keep it aside for the time being. I'm going to bring the sauce, pour it nicely. So the crab meat takes very short time to cook, and when you open up there's plenty of crab meat left, otherwise it will get shrink. Well, it is such a simple dish. We have all the ingredients ready and start cooking. It will take only half an hour to cook. So what you need to is maybe rice or bread to eat with. So that's all for the day. We see you again with a new recipe next week. Bye for now.